Did you know a small windshield crack can put your safety at risk? At Express Mobile Auto Glass, we believe that safe driving begins with clear, durable glass. A crack might seem minor, but it weakens the integrity of your entire windshield. This glass isn't just for visibility, it supports your car's structure and can protect you in an accident. Our technicians use high-quality resins to repair cracks, ensuring a strong bond that restores your windshield's strength. With Express Mobile Auto Glass, you get fast, reliable service with a focus on safety. Check out Express Mobile Auto Glass reviews. Choose safety. Choose clarity. Choose Express Mobile Auto Glass for all your windshield repair needs. Call us today at 7660-585-9392 or visit our website expressmobileautoglass.net to get back on the road safely.